Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. It is a common need to save and store data to multiple locations, and YouTestMe GetCertified allows you to export tables, lists, and other formats. This video explains how question pools can be exported into several different formats. Hover over the test in the main menu and select Question Pools. From the sidebar menu, choose a question pool you want to download. Navigate to Questions tab to open a list of all questions in this pool. You may export the list of questions as a PDF file. Click on the PDF icon in the right-down corner. The PDF file contains table with the exact information that are displayed in the pool in the application: ID and external ID, question source, difficulty level, question type, and custom question properties that are optionally created and enabled in the system settings. In this case, it is the column called Approved by Management. The PDF format is the most suitable for reviewing and saving questions outside the YouTestMe GetCertified if there is no need for changing them. Then you can export the questions as an Excel file. And for this option, you have two formats to choose from. The first one is inline questions and answers. This format displays all answers in the same row as question. The second one, YouTestMe Import-Export Template, is the format that contains two sheets, one with questions and one with answers. The same format is used for importing the questions into pools, so you can use the same template to export and import the questions into different question pools. Note that the export in both formats is supported only for questions that have the following scoring methods: defining correct and incorrect answers, and manual grading. Now let's select the first format. Additionally, the first format supports only the single choice, multiple choice, true/false, and open-ended question types. The exported Excel file will contain both supported and non-supported questions. However, some information for non-supported question types will not be visible due to the nature of those question types. You should select the Preserve HTML to export the HTML structure in the question and answer texts. This may reduce the human readability in the exported Excel file, but it preserves the HTML styling if the questions need to be imported somewhere else. To download the list of questions from the pool, click the Export button. And here is the preview. As you can see, in addition to the basic information, there is the column for the correct answer, as well as the offered answers written down in the same row. This format provides a good overview of various details and is suitable as all data is on one page. Moreover, allows sorting and filtering. Now let's export questions in YouTestMe format. This format is supported for more question types: single choice, multiple choice, true/false, matching, ordering, fill in the blanks, essay, and open-ended. Note: non-supported question types will not prevent the export, but will not be visible in the exported Excel file. Here we have two sheets. This format is used for importing the questions to the application. Therefore, you may export the list of all questions, make some changes, save the file, and import the updated file back to the application. It saves you lots of time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.